All right. Hello, good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm happy.
All of you are fine. How was your holiday? How was your weekend?
I stay at home.
Stay at home. Okay, it's very good. Stay
COVID-19.
at home, stay safe. Okay, so let all of your friends join. Then we can start. Okay. So what time you guys wake up today?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
30.
Okay. So that means you already wake up. You're not fit sleepy anymore. Okay. Okay, very good. All right. So all of your friends, they are still not here. Okay. All right. So before we get started, just stretch your body. Okay, stretch your body. I want you to clap 5 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, so now I want you touch your ear. Very good. Okay, touch your nose. All right, very good. Touch your forehead. Okay, very good. Now touch your hair. Okay, very good. Okay, so now we can start. All right, so we can start. So today we are going to learn mathematics, right? So all of the students, you having your books with you already? Okay, very good. All right, so today we are going to learn page number 92. Okay, page number 92. All right, so before we start page number 92, we're having a little bit of maths game. Okay, so here we have some of the numbers I give to you. You have to use the pattern multiply 2-digit number. Okay. All right. And then you have to tell me, just take your time, make the calculation and tell me the answer. Okay. So number one, we have 5 tens multiplied by 3 thousands. So what will be the answer? 5 tens multiplied by 3 thousands. So
Me.
okay, go ahead.
150,000.
Very good. 5 tens multiplied by 3 thousands. That means 150,000. Very good. Okay, now we have another number. We have 90,000 multiplied by 30, or we have 9 10,000s multiplied by 3 tens. So what will be the answer? Use the pattern. 9 10,000s multiplied by 3 tens. Make your calculation. And let me have your answer.
Me.
Okay.
270,000.
270,000. Think again. Do multiplication again.
Me. 2,700,000.
That's not correct. Okay, Tonchaya.
2,700,000.
Very good. That is the correct answer. 2,700,000. That is the correct answer. Okay. So 9 10,000s multiplied by 3 tens or 90,000 multiplied by 30. They become 2,700,000. Okay. Now we have one more number. We have 4 tens multiplied by 8 10,000s. Or you can say 40 multiplied by 80,000. What will be the answer?
Me.
Let me ask. Wait, let me ask from another student. Panton, can you tell me? 4 tens multiplied by 8 10,000s. Do your calculation. Okay, any other student?
Me. It's so very easy.
Okay, let me ask from Adin. Adin, can you answer? 4 tens multiplied by 8 10,000. What's your answer?
3 million. 3 million. 3 million to 200,000.
3,200,000. That's your answer, right? So, is it correct? That is the correct answer. 3,200,000. Now, number 4. Who is going to answer? We have 7,000 multiplied by 25. 7,000 multiplied by 25.
Me. 1,700,000. 50,000.
50,000. No, 175,000. Right? So now one more, the last one. 4,500 multiplied by 35. 4,500 multiplied by 35.
Please wait for me for a second.
Take your time. Any student already know the answer? Come forward. Can answer first. First multiply 5 by 4,500. Then multiply 3 tens by 4,500.
1 million by 5,000, 7,500,000.
That is not
1
correct.
million. 1 million.
That's not correct. That's not correct. Any other students?
Me.
Okay.
100,000. 67,500.
Very good. But when we say all together. We say 157,500. That is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, students, now we can start at page number 92. Okay. So today we are going to learn, in our last class, we learned about multiplication with a single digit number. Okay, now today we are going to learn about multiplying two-digit number by multi-digit numbers. Okay, so we had to use the pattern here. You already know about the patterns, how we are going to use the place and the place values for multiplication that make us more easy. So here today, the first number given to us, we have 50 multiplied by 3000. So we have to tell what is equal to 3000 multiplied by 50. So if you are going to solve, first of all, what we have to do to make it easy, we have to make the pattern. Okay, so the pattern, to make for that, what we have to do, first of all, we are take the first place. Okay, so first we are going to multiply 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. Okay, then the second step, what we're gonna do, then 5 tens multiplied by 3. So 5 tens multiplied by 3 become 150. Okay, then the third step, what we have to do, we have to multiply 5 tens multiplied by 3 tens. Okay, which means 50 multiplied by 30. So that is equal to 1500. Okay, now the fourth step, what we have to do, 50 or 5 tens multiplied by 300s. Okay, so this is the fourth step. All right, now the final one, here we have the number that is 1000, right? So now 5 tens multiplied by 3000, which means it will be 150,000. Okay, so the answer is 150,000. Now you see here, these are all we use. Like the first step, what we do, we multiply 5, the first place, right? 5 multiplied by 3. So we have 15. You can see here. Then in the second step, what we use here, we have 5 tens, then multiply by 3. So total we will have 15 tens. So you can see here we have total 15 tens, which is 150. Then the third step, we have 5 tens multiplied by 3 tens. So here you can see 5 tens multiplied by 3 tens. So total we have how many? We have 1,500. Okay. So now this one is 5 10 multiplied by 350. Then 5 tens multiplied by 30. Right. So 1,500. Then the fourth step, here you can see that one is 5 tens multiplied by 300s. So total we will have 15,000. You can see here 15,000 while we multiply 5 tens by 300. Now the last one, 5 tens multiplied by 3,000. You can see here 5 tens we multiply by 3,000. So total we will have how many thousands? 15 10,000s. So you can see here 15 10,000s. That is the answer. Or you can say 150,000. So while we do the multiplication, what we have to do, we have to not forget put the zeros. Put the zeros at the end of the product that is equal to the number zeros. At the end of the numbers you are multiplying. Okay, so what we have the answer, 50 multiplied by 3,000, that one is 150,000. So the pattern in multiplying is very useful for finding products of multiplication. So mentally 50 multiplied by 3,000 is equal to 150,000. Okay, students, you understand that how we are going to do the multi-digit multiplication?
Yes.
Okay, all of you can do right now. Any question? Just only concentrate. I repeat
Yes.
one.
Yes.
Okay, I repeat one more time, students. We have to solve 50 multiplied by 3,000, which means we have 5 tens multiplied by 3,000. So what we do, we follow the steps. So the first step, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make 5 multiplied by 3, which means 15. Then the second step, we have 5 tens multiplied by 3, the second pattern, which means 150, or you can say we have total 15 tens. Then the third step, we have 5 tens multiplied by 3 10, multiply by 30, or multiply by 310, which means total we have 1500. Then the fourth step, 5 tens multiply by 300s. So total we will have how many? We will have 15,000. Then the final step, what we do, 50 or 5 10 multiply by 3,000. So which means 115,000, or you can say we have total 15 10,000. So while we do the calculation, don't forget to put the zeros. Okay, now let's have some of the practice. Okay, students. Now, okay, so I'm going to ask from you, okay, you just do the calculation and let me know. So what we have to do here, we have to find each product using pattern of multiplication. Okay, so we have here question number 1, 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 become how much?
40.
4 multiplied by 2. The first one.
8.
Exactly, 8. 8 is the correct answer. Now, second step. 4 tens multiplied by 2 will be how many tens? 4 tens multiplied by 2.
80.
Exactly. So that one is 80, or you can say we have 8 tens. Now, number 3, we have 4 tens multiplied by 2 tens, or 40 multiplied by 20. So what will be the answer?
800.
Very good, 800. That is the correct answer. Now, step 4, we have 4 tens multiplied by 200s. 4 tens multiplied by
8,000.
8,000.
very good, 8,000. 8,000 is the correct answer by multiplying 4 tens multiplied by 200s. Okay, now the fifth step, we have 4 tens multiplied by 2,000. So we will have how many?
80,000.
80,000.
80,000.
80,000. 80,000 is the correct answer. Okay, we have total 4 tens. You can see here 4 tens multiplied by 200. That means 8,000. Now we have 4 tens multiplied by 2,000. So which means we have total 80,000. That is the correct answer. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2, we have step 1, 6 multiplied by 7. 6 multiplied by 7 become how much?
42.
Very good,
42.
42. Now we have 6 tens multiplied by 7 become how much? 6 tens.
420.
Very good. 420. Now, step 3. We have 6 tens multiplied by 7 tens. So,
4,020.
4,000.
4,200.
4,200. That is the correct answer. Okay. Now, step 4. We have 6 tens multiplied by 7 hundreds.
42,000.
Very good. 42,000. Total we have 42,000. Okay. Or you can say step 5. We have total 6 tens multiplied by 7,000. So how much it'll become?
420,000.
Very good. 420,000. That is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Now, question number 3. Question number 3, we have 5 multiplied by 8. 5 into 8 become how much?
40.
40. Very good. 40. That is the correct answer. 40. Now, step 2. We have 5 multiplied by 8 tens. So, what will be the answer?
400.
Very good. 400. That is the correct answer. Now, step 3. Step 3, we have 5 tens multiplied by 8 tens. So, total will be the answer?
4,000.
4,000. Very good. That is the correct answer. 4,000. Okay, now step 4. We have 5 hundreds multiplied by 8 tens. So, what will be the answer? 500 into 80.
40,000. 40,000.
40,000. Very good. That is the correct answer. 40,000. Okay, now last one. Last step we have total 5,000 multiplied by 800. So what will be the answer?
400,000. 400,000.
400,000. Make calculation again. Total we have 5,000 multiplied by 800. Again, your calculation.
400,000. 4 million. 4 million.
Very good. 4 million. 4 million is the correct answer. While we multiply 5,000 into 800. So the answer will be 4 million. Okay, now students, I'm going to ask about question number 4. So question number 4, we have 9 multiplied by 2. 9 multiplied by 2 become how much?
18.
18. Very good. Now, step 2. We have 9 multiplied by 2 tens.
180.
180. That is the correct answer. Okay, now step 3. We have 9 tens multiplied by 2 tens. So, what will be the answer?
1,800.
1,800. That is the correct answer. Okay, now step 4. We have total 900s multiplied by 2 tens. So what will be the answer?
18,000.
18,000.
80,000.
That is the correct answer. 18,000. Now, step 5. We have total 9,000 multiplied by 2 tens. 9,000 multiplied by 2 tens.
180,000.
80,000.
That is the correct answer. 180,000. That is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Okay, students, so all of you, please write down in your books the correct answers, okay? And make your practice by yourself, all of you, okay? Now, okay, all right, students, so here now we have the numbers given to us and they're having multiplication. So we have to find the multiplication number. Okay. So they are having the gaps. So we have to fill the gaps. Okay. We have to find the right number which meets the correct answer. Okay. So now we have 9 multiplied by how much? The answer will be 27.
3.
3. That is the correct answer. 9 multiplied by 3. So we will have the answer 27. Okay, so 9 into 3 will be 27. Now, step 2. We have 9 tens multiplied by how much? So we have 270. 99 multiplied by how much? So we have the answer 270.
3.
Exactly, 3. That is the correct answer. So 90 multiplied by 9 tens multiplied by 3. That means 270. Now, step 3. We have 9 tens multiplied by how much is equal to 2,700.
30.
30. That is the correct answer. 30. 9 tens multiplied by 3 tens is equal to 2,700. Now, step number 4. We have 9 tens multiplied by how much? So we can have 27,000.
300.
300. That is the correct answer. So 9 tens multiplied by 300, which will be 27,000. Okay, last step. We have total 9 tens and answer we have 270,000. So
3,000.
3,000.
3,000 by using the pattern. So which is 3,000 is equal to 270,000. Very good. Similar like that, we have question number 2. That one is we have to find the number and multiply by 5. So we have the answer 25. So 5 multiplied by how much? So we have 25. Exactly, 5. That is the correct answer. Now, step 2. How much multiply by 5? So we can have 250. 50. Very good. Now, step 3. We have how much multiply by 50? So we can have 2,500.
50.
Very good. 5 tens, 50. 50 multiplied by 50 or 5 tens multiplied by 5 tens is equal to 22,500. Step 4. What will be the number we multiply by 500? So become 25,000.
500.
Again.
5.
500.
The number multiplied by 500.
50.
Very good. 50. So 5 tens multiplied by 500 is equal to 25,000. Now, final step. How much multiplied by 5,000s become 250,000? 50. Exactly. 50 is the correct answer. Okay, now question number 3, we have 7 multiplied by 3 become how much?
21.
21. Very good. That is the correct answer. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. Now, how much multiplied by 3 is equal to 210?
20.
70. 70. Okay, 7 tens multiplied by 30 is equal to 210. Okay, now we have 7 tens multiplied by how much? Become
30.
30. We must 7 tens multiplied by 3 tens is equal to 2,100. Now, step 4. How much multiplied by 3 hundreds become 21,000?
70.
70. 7 tens multiplied by 300 is equal to 21,000. Now, the last one. 7 tens multiplied by 3,000s.
200. 10,000.
210,000. That is the correct answer. Okay, similar like that, we have question number 4. 5 multiplied by 6 become how much?
30.
Very good, 30. Now, 5 multiplied by how much become 300?
60.
60. Very good. 6 tens. Now, how much multiplied by 6 tens become 3,000?
50.
50. Very good. 5 tens multiplied by 6 tens, which means 3,000. Now, step 4. 500 multiplied by how much? Become 30,000.
50.
50. Very good. 500 into 60. Sorry, they have a little bit typing mistake. This is actually 60. All right. Okay. So now 500 multiplied by 60. Okay, it's not 50. All right. Okay. Now the last one, step 5. 5,000 multiplied by 6 tens become how much?
300,000.
Very good. 300,000. That is the correct answer. Okay. Now we have one more last. Here we have to find each product. Okay, we have to find here mentally. All right, so we have the numbers given to us. 10 multiplied by 80.
800.
800.
Very good. 800. Number 2. 2 tens multiplied by 500 is equal to
10,000.
10,000. That is correct answer. 10,000. Now, number 3, we have 6 tens multiplied by 800s.
48,000.
Very good. 48,000. That is the correct answer. Now, number 4, 7 tens multiplied by 900s.
63,000.
63,000. That is the correct answer. Now we have question number 5. 3 tens multiplied by 4,000s.
120,000.
120,000. That is the correct answer. Okay, number 6. We have 4 tens multiplied by 6 10,000s.
2,400,000.
2,400,000. That is the correct answer. 2,400,000. Okay, now number 7. We have 9 thousands multiplied by 9 tens.
810,000.
810,000. That is the correct answer. Okay, now number 8.
6,400,000.
8 tens multiplied by 80,000. That means 6,400,000. Okay, the last two I'm going to ask from one student. Okay, so he had to answer. Okay, okay, Fabe. Number 9. 11,000 multiplied by 7 tens become how much?
770,000.
Very good. That is the correct answer. 770,000. Okay. Now, number 10. I'm going to ask from Supercon. Supercon, what is your answer for 12,000 multiplied by 90? 12,000 multiplied by 9 tens. What's your answer?
$180,000.
180,000. Okay, let me ask from one more student. Matum, what is your answer for number 10?
My answer is
12,000 multiplied by 9 tens.